In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll be able to place a logo, photo, or diagram directly onto a PDF in just a few clicks, and you'll know a few practical tips to make it look clean and professional. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. This is the file you want to add the image to, whether it's a drawing set, a form, or a presentation sheet. Give the document a second to load fully, especially if it's a large plan, so your tools respond smoothly. Next, head to the markup toolbar. This is where all the annotation tools live, and it includes what we need. If your interface is customized, take a quick look around your toolbars until you see the markup tools. Once you're there, you're ready to choose the image tool. Select image. You can click the image button in the markup toolbar or access it from the main menu by going to Tools and then Image. Both paths open the same option. This tells Bluebeam that you want to place an image as a markup on the page, which means you can move it, resize it, and control its appearance without altering the original PDF content. A file browser will open. Browse and select the image file you want to insert. Common formats like PNG, JPEG, BMP, and TIFF work well. If you need crisp lines or a logo with a transparent background, PNG is often the best choice. Before you select, consider the resolution. Higher quality images look sharper when resized, but extremely large files can slow things down. Once you've chosen your file, confirm the selection to continue. Now click on the PDF to place the image. A single click drops it at a default size where your cursor lands. If you prefer to define the size as you place it, click and drag to create a box. The image will scale to fit that box. After it's on the page, you can reposition it by clicking and dragging, and you can fine-tune the size by dragging the corner handles. If your image needs a slight rotation, use the rotate handle or the properties panel to dial in a specific angle. Bluebeam treats the image as a markup, so it stays editable until you're satisfied. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, go to the markup toolbar, choose image, pick your file, and click to place it. Take a moment to align it neatly and ensure the size feels balanced with the rest of your content. With these simple steps, your PDFs will look polished and informative.